Honey, you can't tell me I ain't styling and profiling. Okay, you see these glasses? Dollar Tree, $1.25. Honey, this is for me, okay? All right, these are cute. Now, they come in this color. They also have the silver and black one. Child, somebody out here styling and profiling. I ain't gonna say no names now, okay? Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious, phenomenal, terrific, magnificent, glorious. I think I said glorious already. Type of day. Okay, listen. This is our second Dollar Tree haul of the day. We are supposed to do 3, but honey got on the wrong bus. But that's neither here nor there, okay? All right, honey child. Listen, we going inside of this Dollar Tree on 28th Street in Union City. Let's see what they have inside. Now, this one I absolutely love. Actually, I love all of them, okay? Absolutely love all of them. But this one, they just recently opened back up. So clean in here. Really, really nice. Love it. Let's see what they have. Okay, so item of the week is these water bottles over here. Now, I think all the Dollar Trees are pretty much doing the same exact thing for as the item of the week, because the Dollar Tree near my house, in the front, they have the item of the week is these water bottles. Now, the cool thing about these is pretty much, I love how it has the time on there. 7 a.m. Let's get started. 9 a.m. Remember your goals, honey. Remember your goals. I hope you guys are writing your goals down. Okay, 11 a.m. keep it up. 1 p.m. halfway there. 3 p.m. you can do this. 5 p.m. don't quit now. 7 p.m. or in a day's work. Now, the phenomenal thing about these are that it reminds you to get your water in. Okay, really, really cool. They also have the Hershey Kisses over here. The candies, $1.25. Valentine's Day is like a few weeks away. Okay, really, really cool. All right, so Dollar Tree had these tumblers, okay, and honey, as you can see, these went like 1, 2, 3. They only have pink and they only have red left, okay. This thing last week was kind of filled, but now, honey, it's like 4 of these left. These people don't play. All right, you know what? I'm gonna hurry up and put my bags in here because this video, honey, I gotta go. I got a dentist appointment for me and my children today, so oh my goodness. We gotta be on out. I gotta be on my way. Okay, so, honey, I'm in the middle of this recording at Dollar Tree. Okay, I got a dentist appointment today at 3:30. If you have Medicaid, just FYI, child. Medicaid, if you don't have a vehicle right now, okay, or you need transportation, you can call Medicaid, and honey, they'll pick you up and take you to your appointments. I think you get like 5 pickups and drop-offs, okay, for the year. So just FYI. And honey, I'm in here doing a haul, and the lady's talking about something they got outside. I said, chill. Let me tell you. Let me get to this haul, okay? All right, honey. This car. This is the money paying for this car, chill. Let's get into it. All right, so right now Dollar Tree has the gardening items out, like these fairy garden. This is so cute. The 2 chairs, really cute. They also have like the home, the bird home, look like bird house or whatever, and then they have this sunflower look like really cool. Then they also have the kneeling pads. These are $1.25, and this is pretty much what they have for like their garden area, their garden selection. These mushrooms right here are so cute. I think these are fancy mancy. These are $1.25, and they have different colors. So they have the blue, the red, and then they also have the green in the bag. Pollinators, if you are looking for, okay, to plant some sunflowers, they definitely have them. And then zinnia, honey, listen, okay, $1.25. Cosmos, they also have, this is fancy mancy coneflowers they have over here, really cool. They also have these plates right here, okay, planters, saucers. So if you watering your plants too much, the water will be caught with the saucers. Now they also have the hanging baskets over here, really cool, nice. Love it. Okay, and then they also have the 4-pack planters over here. And then they also have, this is cute for Easter. Absolutely love this. This is so nice. Honey, I am a colors girl, all right? So you guys know my color is green and gold, just in case if you didn't know, all right? But I love bright colors. To me, it brightens up the atmosphere, brightens up the attitude. Okay, so we're going to take a quick look at this, okay? Spy headband, they have, this is pretty much all the Valentine items. They have really cool. These items are all $1.25. They also have some candy over here for Valentine's Day. Valentine's theme, these are $1.25 as well. Really cool. And then if you are a person that have younger children that's in elementary school, whatever, they have little items that you can give to the children. Okay, now these fillable containers, I don't know about these because it's only 40s. There's $1.25, and if you have like 23, if it's like 23 children in your child's class, okay, honey, you want to go with something like 60 pieces, the glitter hearts. They also have the confetti, not the confetti though, all right. They also have the treat bags with the zip locks. I absolutely love this. And then they also have these buckets over here, which are $1.25. That comes in different colors. These heart plates, I absolutely love these. It has like the confetti in them. When you shake it, the confetti moves. They also have these napkins and buckets, which are $1.25. The buckets, 2 pieces for $1.25, child. Really good. Cutouts, fancy pantsy mancy, and you know we like some Lancy. Who is Lancy? All right. They also have the 2-piece fabric gift bags for $1.25 as well. And then we had seen these last time. Valentine's Day cards giveaway, 48 card sets. These are so cute. All right, my love. So if you are looking for some wreaths, they definitely have them Dollar Tree. They come in 3 different colors. They have the red, the white, okay, and then they also have the pink. Really cool. They also, and these wreaths, I believe these are $5, okay. They also have these little camper metal truck decor. These are $5. I absolutely love those. And these, my loves, so love lives here, shaped as a heart. These trays, heart trays, $5. They also have the snack cups over here. You get 50 pieces for $3. And then they have some more candy over here that they had placed for Valentine's Day. This is rose petals, 300 for $1.25. They have the socks, ladies knee highs. Oh, these are cute. I like these. Wait, oh, I was confused, yeah, because I said, why did they say $5? $1.25 they are. All right, and some more treat bags over here with twist ties, 20 pieces. And if you are looking for like dinnerware items, they definitely have the cups and stuff. I like these mugs, these blue mugs. These are really cute. And the white ones, they had the red ones, but I guess the people brought them up because they like, you know, Valentine's Day right around the corner. These glasses right here, I absolutely love these. These are really cute, $1.25. And then of course they have the kitchen towels. It comes in different colors, different designs, $1.25. Now, if you're a person that's a creator, I like to say we are all creators, okay? Dollar Tree definitely have all these items. This is pretty much the DIY section over here when it comes to Valentine's Day. These items over here are $1.25. And you get like 4 pieces, like this paint set right here. I think this is so dope for the children, okay? This 6-piece, 2-pack color kit. They also have the Teddy Weddy Betty, okay, over there for $1.25. 4-piece, you get the little platter thing, okay, I don't know what you call it, honey, the board, and then you get 3 different paint colors, and then you also get the paintbrush. Now, Dollar Tree right now, they also have their St. Patty's items out. This is really cool. They have their tumblers out. I absolutely love these, honey, but me and my children, we definitely don't need no more tumblers. Definitely not. Okay, this is cute, though. I absolutely love this. This is really, really nice. The tumblers are always styling and profiling, child. They also have the gnomes over here, which are $1.25, and they have the Thule skirt, the shamrock crown. This is nice. I like the shamrock crown. Kiss Me, I'm Irish. Jumbo tie, the headbands they have, really, really cool, $1.25. And then they also have the necklaces. Honey, golden green is my color, like the dream team, all right? And they definitely have the golden or green. These necklaces, I absolutely love them. Although I don't drink, well, I drink like pina colada or something like that, okay, once in a blue. But I love how they have the shot cups over here. That's really, really cool. They also have these sunglasses, but these glasses over here. And I had purchased these last year. We ain't gonna talk about that, okay? And then they also have these glasses. I absolutely love these with the rainbow and then a pot of gold. Really, really cool. And also the necklace. Okay, so the necklaces that they have, they light up. Oh, this one not doing it. I guess because of the tag thing. But yeah, they lights up. And then they also have the bowls over here. Really, really cool. Foam scatters. They have the tumblers. You get 6 for $1.25. They also have the trays. Really nice. Shamrock trays. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, and some more headbands. All right. These are $1.25. Really cool. Dollar Tree is really the place to be, okay, in these streets. Really the place. Okay, so these vases over here, these are really, really cool. $3. Now, Dollar Tree is definitely doing it with the decor. When I tell you they doing it with the decor, honey, Target, watch out now. Okay, this decor over here, this is $1.25. I absolutely love this. This is so cool to me. It's $1.25 as well. And I'm wondering if Dollar Tree is going to be bringing like a lot of the decor and stuff, like the home stuff, like this out, because honey, this is fancy mancy for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Grab bag. Now, just in case you didn't know, Dollar Tree also have some pillow covers over here. I didn't even know that they were selling pillow covers, but they sure do. These are $1.25. Okay, and then if you are a football fanatic, if you turn a corner, honey, it's like right in your face, right, or on your case, right? They have the Eagles. I guess somebody here is an Eagles fan. This looks like a soup container or something. They also have the sandwich Tupperware. They also have the chips and dip trays, which are really, really cool. The plates, the cups. You get 6 cups for $1.25. Snack cups. They have the can coolers, which are $1.25. That comes in 2 different colors, brown and green. The plastic table covers, $1.25. Letter banners over here and flag banners, all for $1.25. So if you're a person that need containers, storage items, Dollar Tree definitely has it. These colors right here, absolutely love them. All right, and they have different styles, different colors, different sizes, all for $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Could we just say that one time? Steal deal like Holyfield. These caddies, I absolutely love these. Now, if you have teenager that's in college or something, this is really, really good to put the slippers in here, you know, the shower slippers, and then put the body wash and stuff in here, toothbrush, toothpaste. Really, really good to have. They also have these trays over here. These are nice. I like these. Okay, they come in like 3 different colors. Steal deal like Holyfield, honey. You could put some dip here, some cream cheese, honey, whatever you want. Okay, tacos, taco meat, the cheese. Child, look at me making up the stuff as I go along. Okay, the olives, the tomatoes, the onion. Child. Okay, and then they also have these trays over here, which are $1.25 as well. Honey, they go hand in hand like a dream team. So Dollar Tree right now is selling these Angel of Mom Pampers. Child, y'all, look at this. These are $6, new at Dollar Tree. They also have the Rose Water Dream 4-in-1 Tear Free Baby Wash. This is $1.25. Child, Dollar Tree is definitely moving their feet to the beat. They also have the onesies. I had showed you guys this. I was so shocked. These are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors, white, blue, and pink. Still deal like Holyfield. All right, so Dollar Tree definitely have they eye under the eye massages out. They ain't playing. $1.25 acne patches, $1.25. Absolutely love these 24 patches for $1.25. That is a still deal like Holyfield. All right, this Dollar Tree, you need any type of jack earphones, honey, they got so many, okay, all for $1.25. They have plenty to choose from. This is a still deal like really like Holyfield. And these candle holders, to me, these are really, really cute. These are $1.25. I absolutely love these. This is Fancy Pantsy Mancy. And then they have these over here, candle holders, styling and profiling. Okay, moving our feet to the beat in these Dollar Tree streets. Let's go. Now, Dollar Tree also have these LED cup holder lights. These are $5. Stackable drawers. These are $5 as well. You get one drawer for $5. Let's not confuse it. Okay, 15 piece hangers for $5. Non-slip. All right, family. I gotta move my feet to the beat. Okay, all right. Cause honey, I gotta get to my dentist appointment. I catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you're rocking out, believing in yourself. Until next time. Peace.